Yeah, it's 9:05. I waited to see what happened on that Michigan and PCE, and nothing really happened. But since it came out, we got a little uptick in S&P and downtick in bonds. It's may not get posted in time, but I mean S&P is trying to fight through some resistance up here at 96, and I'm bullish on it. I got a target up here at 02 and I think it can. Well, the issue with the 02 is when it gets above that, there's a target up at 29.5, but that should be a real nasty grind up there. So to try and step out and lift offers can be pretty tough to do, but that's what I'm looking at right now. Downside, of course, overnight high could be some kind of support. That's at 86.25, and then back where they opened it, the day session with the halfway, that's about the same price. 77.5 and 75.25. You guys are bearish and fading. Keep those two spots in mind. But I'm kind of bullish on the S&P here. The bonds just downticked. They got 24s to print. Now if they can trade more 24s, with some conviction, that's bearish for me. Now you got an initial target at 17, but there's not really anything down here in bonds. I mean, this thing could really weaken up. So, yeah, they're back trading 26 now. They got 24s on prints, but watch that 24 down there in bonds. There's a huge price below in 10-year, 18.5, a real important price for bias. I'm kind of looking at financials for what they did earlier, they held some pretty important prices to keep a downside bias on them. 13 in the 10s, in the 5s, 13 in the 5s, 26 in the 10s, and 04 in the bonds. Those are three really key prices for bias. But the downside is going to be pretty tough in the 10s because that 18.5 is sitting down there. So if one of these can make a decent slip, it's the bonds. All right, I'm going to leave it there and try and get this posted in time.